Today, we will compare the Roborock Q7 Max Plus and the Roborock S7 Plus. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus has 1.68 times more suction power, a 1-hour quicker charging time, and 4 dB quieter operation than the S7 Plus. But then the S7 Plus offers effortless cleaning with its mop-raising feature and scrubbing. Stay with us as we evaluate these Roborock vacuums on critical factors like multi-surface cleaning efficiency, pet hair removal, and battery life to find which is the best value for your money. As always, you will find links to exclusive discounts in the description below. Let's start with multi-surface cleaning efficiency. Both the S7 Plus and Q7 Max Plus come with HEPA filters and allergen filters. They also have an electrostatic filtration system, which attracts fine dust particles. The Q7 Max Plus has a 4,200 pascals maximum suction power, whereas the S7 Plus has a maximum suction of 2,500 pascals. This difference in suction power did not make any difference in our testing for floor cleaning. But when it came to carpet cleaning, the Q7 Max Plus could deep clean better when used at its maximum suction power. Both the vacuums also have a mopping feature and it works well. But the S7 Plus has a slight advantage as it can clean minor stains faster. This is due to its sonic mopping, which basically is the vibration of the mop while cleaning. Though these vibrations are useful, you still have to clean stubborn stains by yourself. Overall, the Q7 Max Plus offers slightly better cleaning performance because it is more capable of deep cleaning carpets. Next up, pet hair removal. Both the vacuums do decent when it comes to removing hair, but the S7 Plus has a better performance. This is because even though both of them have got a similar brush housing, the S7 Plus gets fewer tangles, which are also generally towards the corners. With regular removal of these tangles, you should not have any issues with a 7 Plus pet hair removal. On the other hand, you can also manage with the Q7 Max Plus, but just know that it gets a bit more tangles. Now let us talk about the battery life. Both the machines are equipped with a 5200 mAh battery and offer a maximum runtime of 180 mins. Although the Q7 Max Plus is more power efficient than the S7 Plus. The only major difference comes when we talk about the charging time of the two vacuums. The Q7 Max Plus robot vacuum gets fully charged in just 4 hours, while the S7 Plus takes about 5 hours to charge. So when comparing the power parameter, the Q7 Max Plus wins because of lesser charging time. Moving on, let's now discuss about the ease of use and smart features. The S7 Plus has a mop lifting feature, which can be a huge factor for many. This is because you don't need to remove the mop and run the vacuum again for carpets. S7 Plus can just clean floors and carpets in a single go. The Q7 Max Plus also offers something exclusive to its side, which is placing virtual barriers using its application. This means you can mark areas in its registered map that you don't want the vacuum to clean. This feature is helpful when there is an area where your vacuum gets stuck at, like there are too many wires in the area. There is also a minor difference in the water tank capacity of the two. The Q7 Max Plus has a tank capacity of 350 ml and can do longer mopping runs. The S7 Plus slightly lags behind with a water tank capacity of 300 ml. Another difference is in the noise level, where the Q7 Max Plus is 4 dB quieter. Lower vacuum noise can be important for some people, though both the vacuums still operate below 70 dB. As for the user manual and customer support, both the vacs are from the same company. Roborock is a reputed brand and offers decent customer service and support. Operating both of them is fairly easy, and the manual instructions are okay. The brush comes off easily when you have to clean it. The water tank is also easily removable, so you can refill it. The app is also good, the UI is decent, and you can navigate through the app easily. Before concluding, let us quickly talk about other features of the vacuums that you, as a buyer, should know. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus does not use disposable bags for the vacuum unit, but the base station has them. The S7 Plus, on the other hand, has disposable bags for the vacuum unit as well as base station. Both the vacuums use precise LiDAR navigation systems for mapping, and they work very well. You probably will not have navigation issues with these two vacs. Both of these vacuums are able to clean edges well. They use a side brush mechanism, which basically pulls the dirt towards the middle of the vacuum, which then gets sucked in. So it's finally time for the overall winner, who wins. Though this is not at all an easy comparison when it comes to the overall usage, the Q7 Max Plus wins. It wins because of its higher suction, lesser charging time, bigger water tank, and lower noise. But there are some exclusive benefits of buying S7 Plus, which might have higher relevance for you. Firstly, it's better for pet hair removal. It also has a more hands-free experience due to its mop lifting feature. Its mop vibration scrubbing is also fine, though it is not strong enough for tougher stains. Also, know that the Q7 Max Plus is more expensive than the S7 Plus. So see your specific requirements and choose accordingly. If you found the video helpful, do like and share. Happy cleaning!